guys, welcome back to Hike Oregon. In today's video, I'm going to do a little preview of the Outdoor Vitals Shadowlight backpack. If you are new here, welcome to the Hike Oregon family. I make hiking and backpacking vlogs as well as gear reviews and general tips and tricks videos to help you become a more confident hiker and backpacker. If you're interested in content like that, go ahead and click that red subscribe button and the notification bell so that you are notified every time I make a new video. And as always, if you want more content from me, you can support me over on Patreon, where for as little as just $1, you get 2 to 3 extra videos a month. So I recently got the Outdoor Vitals Shadowlight backpack. I got the 45-liter one, and because I just got it and I'm so excited about it, I wanted to do a little overview, show you all the features. I haven't gotten to try it out yet. I'm so excited for backpacking season so that I can take this guy on the trail. I will be doing a whole review video of this guy towards the end of the summer, early fall, after I've put some miles on it. Before I show you all the neat features on this backpack, I'll just go over the specs really quick. So it comes in 2 different sizes, the 45-liter and the 60-liter. Both the 60 and the 45-liter come in a small and regular frame size. And the hip belt also comes in different sizes of small, medium, and large. The weight of the backpack will depend on what size you get, but it generally ranges between 1 pound 14.5 ounces to about 1 pound 15.5 ounces. So this backpack is under 2 pounds, and you will be shocked at the price point of $210. I was absolutely blown away when I saw this price. $210 is cheaper than a lot of backpacks that weigh double this. Gregory, Osprey, you name it. Places like REI, the backpacks are going to be twice this weight and cost significantly more money. For an ultralight backpack, this is a steal, and I guarantee you that after you see the features on this, you will probably want one too. It comes in 2 different colors, a blue and kind of this seafoam green color. It has an aluminum frame inside that I'll show you here in a little bit. There are various fabrics to this backpack. Of course, there's the outer mesh pocket, and then there's the main fabric, and then also a different fabric on the bottom. So the fabric is aerobic nylon, and there is ripstop nylon as well on the pack. I'm gonna get into showing you all the fun features now. So here is the backpack up close. You can see, I'll start with the back. You can see that the back has this foam pad to kind of keep airflow between yourself and the backpack. This is kind of divoted here. It kind of resembles one of those Z-Lite sit pads. The pad is removable. You can take it out and actually use it as a sit pad if you wanted to. Also, if it gets dirty or sweaty or whatever, you can remove it and just rinse it off. Super easy to remove. These are the shoulder pads. For the weight that's gonna go into this backpack, I would say they are pretty thick. Pads are a good 1/2 inch thick. You have the chest strap, and then let's go down to the hip belt. Dang, the hip belt pockets on this are insane. They are huge. I could fit my filming camera. I could fit snacks. There's one on each side. As you can see here, I'm stuffing my entire hand in here. It's absolutely gigantic. The hip belt straps are very cushioned as well. Okay, as we move around the side, you have 2 different pockets here. You have this side pouch, which I would put like a water bottle in or something like that. And then you have an upper pouch here as well. And this is on both sides of the backpack. The lower pouch is just cinched with elastic, and the upper pouch has a drawstring cord to make it tight. On the side, you also have a little cord that comes undone with a little hook, so that if you do have a taller water bottle, you can put this around it and cinch it so that when you're bending over, going under a tree or something, your water bottle doesn't just fall out. On the bottom here, you have your loop for your ice axe or trekking poles. If you wanted to store those away, you can do that, and then fasten it up here as well. The bottom of the backpack material is definitely thicker than the main part of the pack, just because when you do set it down on rocks and dirt, you don't want it to get all ripped up. Up front here, you have 2 mesh pockets. I know it looks like 1 mesh pocket, but it is indeed 2, because as you see here in the middle, there is a zipper. This goes into the backpack compartment. Yes, a very cool feature. Because this is a roll top backpack, it is sometimes a little annoying to get into. So you have to unroll it, and then it's this deep thing where there's not a ton of organization because it's just 1 pocket, right? Being able to get into the body of the backpack from the front is actually really convenient if you want to grab stuff that you know is like in the middle of your pack. I think that also makes it easier to pack the backpack because you can just pack it like this. You can put it on the ground. Instead of packing it from the top down, you can kind of more conveniently place things and also see where the load is gonna be. I think packing it from the top down and kind of just stuffing everything in sometimes makes your load pretty uneven. Whereas if you pack it like this, more like a duffel bag or a suitcase, your load can actually be distributed more evenly. So I really like this feature, and I also like that the zipper makes it so that there's 2 larger mesh pockets. These mesh pockets are so deep. I really like that there's 2 mesh pockets because in 1 pocket I might want to put like my dirty camp sandals or something like that. And I don't necessarily want those camp sandals to be touching something else that I'm putting here. Let's say my lunch, my water filter, my maps, or something like that. So that is pretty much the outside of the backpack. Like I said, the side pockets are on both sides. So are the hip belt pockets, which is so nice for organization, and you really have a ton of space to play with. Now, like I said, this is a roll down top style backpack. It does have a cinch cord here at the top where you could put a bear canister if you needed to, or strap your sleeping pad or whatever you want. Or if you're not putting anything up there, you can just cinch it tight. So you undo that, you undo this clip, and then you unroll it. It is closed with a little bit of Velcro, and then you have the inside. So I rolled down the top of the backpack so you could see inside it a little bit better. As you can see here, this is the aluminum frame that is part of the backpack. And then the backpack does come with this water bladder holder. So if you are someone that does love backpacking, or you can use this for a day hike pack too, especially the 45-liter one is pretty small. So you can definitely use this as a day hike backpack. But if you are someone that likes to hike with a water bladder, you can put this in there. I personally don't like backpacking with a water bladder, but because this is a 1 compartment backpack, I might keep this in the backpack just for organization purposes. You can remove this very easily, so there's no issue there. And if you do put a water bladder in here, you can see that there's a little hole here, and that's for the water hose. This is the whole inside of the backpack. This pack is 45 liters, so it's not terribly huge, but I think with all of the extra pockets, it will actually be plenty of space for me. Here you can kind of better see the whole setup that I showed you earlier. The hip belt pockets, the side pockets, and the front mesh pockets. And you can see better the place where you put your ice axe or trekking poles. You attach it here and here. And here's another look at the back. Again, I can't wait to try this guy out on trail, and I will have a full review and let you know how I liked it at the end of the summer. Thank you so much for watching this little overview video of the Shadowlight backpack. I hope you enjoyed. Go check out Outdoor Vitals over on their website. They have some absolutely amazing lightweight gear for really, really great prices. What I love about Outdoor Vitals is they really stand behind their gear. If there's absolutely anything wrong with it, you just reach out to them and they are so kind. Their customer service is so great. Follow me over on Instagram. That's where I post pictures of all of my recent hiking and backpacking adventures. And if you want to hike and backpack here in this amazing state of Oregon, check out my website, hikeoregon.net, and you'll find tons of information there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next adventure.